All right, guys, moving on to number 19. Number 19 is saying, which of the following equations are the acid and conjugate acid correctly labeled? All right, so this is kind of like the last one, but now we're talking about conjugate acid and acids. Last time we were talking about bases and conjugate bases. So again, it's going to work the same way. For the first one, we have CH3CO2H plus H2O making hydronium and CH3CO2 minus. Excuse me, is my H2O here going to be my acid? Well, I see that this one was the one that donated the H because it doesn't have it here. So this is not my acid. So this is incorrect, even though this would be my conjugate acid, because that's the one that can now donate to go back. But this is my base. So this is incorrect. NH3 plus H2O. So is my H2O here the acid? Well, let's see. So I see my ammonia became ammonium by gaining an H, so this must have been the one that donated. So that's my acid. And now is this my conjugate acid? Well, this one can now donate an H to OH to go back to NH3. So that is my conjugate acid, and that would be the correct answer. Moving on to number 3, though, see why these are wrong. HCl, well, we see HCl donated an H to ammonia to become ammonium, so that is my acid. But my conjugate acid is now this one. This will be my conjugate base because it's the one that's going to want to accept the base to go back to HCl. Accept hydrogen. Number 4, H3O plus OH makes 2 H2O. Well, first off, to have a conjugate acid, a conjugate base, you need to have 2 different products. So I already know this is the answer. But let's go ahead and see. Well, either way, H3O plus would have been the acid here. This is my base. So this is also not the right answer. Because H3O is going to be the one that donates the H's to make water. And number 5, we have H2NO2 plus H2O making NO2 plus H3O plus. My H2O here accepted an H, accepted 2 H's actually from this H2NO2. So that's my base, and this is my conjugate base, because it's going to be the one that's going to want to accept H's now. So that's definitely not the answer. And that is why answer choice number 2 is the correct answer.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Resource Center.